Changing your phone number on Gmail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Info. Once signed in, locate the Personal Info section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your personal information. Step 3. Find Phone Number section. Scroll down to the Contact Info section where you will see your current phone number listed. Click on it to edit. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new number, Google will send a verification code to that number. Check your phone for the code, enter it in the required field, and confirm the change. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Gmail account. Remember to keep your contact information current for account security and recovery purposes.